All right, I'm back. It's finally under feedback or regarding submitted work. Under normal circumstance, return all submitting within 1 week of the due date. I'm going to do that quicker in this course because it's going to go so fast. I'm going to try to have them done by Tuesday or Wednesday of that week. I can't promise I'm going to have it done that quickly, but I'm going to try my best. So what'll happen is on Monday, I'll wake up and start working on discussion boards. Discussions I can get done pretty quickly because whenever we get into the course here, and I'm going to show you here in just a second, I'm going to grade those mostly as completion just because I don't really want to grade your opinions on, hot button issues. That's not my deal. Your opinion is your opinion. But I'm going to try to get them done faster than I usually do. That is what it is. All right. First thing I need to talk about as we're going forward in the course. I moved the deadline for Unit 1 to Thursday. The reason why I did this was because, one, we have students in the course who couldn't log in for some reason. So I felt it wasn't very appropriate to require something due, basically they got in the class. I don't say they got in the class. They had registered before, but they didn't get, for some reason, it didn't log them in, or they couldn't log in until about Friday morning or so. I don't think that's fair to make them do a whole unit, so that's why I moved it back to Thursday. If you have previously submitted an exam and you would like it cleared for you because of the change of the deadline, let me know. On the assignments, probably not, but if you really want to resubmit assignment, I'll let you. All right, discussion board, it shouldn't really matter. All right, on the Unit 1 discussion board, what I need you to do, and this will be the same for all of the units, okay? I need you to respond to my questions, okay? And then to 2 other students. If you do 3 posts, you will get a 100 for them. If you do 2, you will get 75. If you do 1, you will get 50. If you do 0, you will get a 0. All right? Way it goes. All right. Okay. Written assignment. This is the written assignment that gives people the most trouble, and I don't know why necessarily. It really, really shouldn't. But some people. All right. So if you go to it under Unit 1 and link to this unit's assignment, okay? What it's asking you to do is look at this proposed amendment and go and answer these questions. Number 1, when it says go to these websites and tell me what their opinion is, it means go to those websites and tell me what their opinion was. It doesn't mean make up your own or whatever, right? It's the number 1 problem. These are the groups. You just go to the website and find out what they think about the amendment. It baffles my mind, if you write something like religious people don't like same-sex marriage, and then you don't talk about any of these groups, I just kind of go, what do you want from me? So usually it'll get a 70 or an 80, okay? At best. So answer the questions. I'm indifferent to how you want to style it. If you want to write it as prose, I'm fine with that. It looks nice. If you want to write it as a numerical list and go through it, you can do that too. I'm indifferent, okay? So, MS Word document. I need it in that because what happens is that I go to, in my view, I can see the needs. There's like a needs grading center. I know y'all probably can't see it just because, you're not faculty or, there's a lot of class. And what happens is I go and I click grade all, and then it'll pop up automatically in the Blackboard shell so I can give you comments right in there. Okay, that's the fastest way to do it. If you give me something like some other file format, it won't read it. I have to download it, then open it up and then grade it, then enter your feedback back into that box. Okay, it really slows down the process. Okay, it really does. So usually I get things graded really quickly. So what usually happens if you don't put it in Microsoft Word, I usually put it down as a 0, get me a correct copy, send it to me by email, and then I'll get it graded. Sorry about that, but that's kind of the way it needs to be. Okay, so I am sorry about that. I'm trying to think of anything else that needs to be said here before in this announcement. I can't think of anything. Again, if you have any questions, send me an email. I only have one that I saw that needs to be answered. I'm going to answer it here in just a second. If you have any questions, problems, concerns, please let me know. Good luck on Unit 1, and I'll talk to y'all soon.